Hello traders and welcome to my channel. This is the Prince of Forex. Hit the like button and subscribe. I only have 144 subscribers. Please, I've been putting my energy and time into this. If you're watching this video, you're not subscribing, you're not helping, please hit the like button and subscribe. Let's dive into the video. BTC trade. I remember calling BTC trade from here. I took a position from here, predicting to go up, and BTC had to come back and hit me for break even around here. So BTC is down again to a cheap level and I'm buying. I have bought, not even I am buying. I'll be posting, okay, I'm posting it. So this is for BTC. I like to buy at the cheapest. I do not wait for confirmation. I know some traders, they want something to support, and when the thing goes up a little bit, that's when they want to buy. Like, wait for confirmation first. I don't do that. Confirmation is the killer of time. Confirmation increases your risks. Like something like this now. Imagine, I like to buy at the cheapest. I like cheap things. I love cheap things. So BTC is up and we're heading up. So the next trade on my list that I'm watching, I missed this trade. Germany stock index. I analyzed it. I predicted it to be going up and I missed it. I missed everything. So bad, man. Like, this trade was 1:4%, I swear, and I missed it. Okay, the next trade on my list is S&P 500. Today is NFP and it's coming up in the next 15 minutes. NFP coming up in the next 15 minutes, and I'm planning to buy at the cheapest level again. How do I know it's the cheapest level? Listing. Institutional traders don't make the mistake of buying or selling from wrong places. Can you see this? That is one. Can you see it again here? This one, they created some of a fake out, and this is it again. So I'm planning to buy here. If it does not come here and go up, voila, no problem. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you. The USD JPY trade is not yet been triggered. We're still far from it. This is where I want to buy from. Watch my past videos on how I analyze this market. Hit the like button and subscribe. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you.